Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn English with Sapna. In today's video, we are going to read a beautiful story called The Girl Who Loved Books. While listening, you will also learn new vocabulary, practice pronunciations, and improve your English fluency. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the story. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Gia. She lived in a small village with her parents. Gia loved books more than anything else in the world. Whenever she found a new book, her eyes sparkled with joy. Every evening, she would sit under a big banyan tree and read aloud. Children from the neighborhood often gathered around her. They loved the way she explained each story with so much excitement. One day, a boy asked Gia, "Why do you love books so much?" She smiled and said, "Because books take me to places where my feet can't go." Her parents were poor and could not buy many books, but Gia never gave up. She collected old newspapers, borrowed storybooks, and even read the labels on empty jars and bottles. Slowly, her English improved. She started helping her classmates in reading. Soon, her teachers noticed her passion and gifted her a dictionary. It became Gia's most precious treasure. Years passed and Gia became a teacher. She built a small library in her village school. Now, hundreds of children could enjoy books every day. The girl who loved books had turned into a woman who shared books. Her dream was complete. Friends, this story teaches us that books are powerful. When you read regularly, you not only improve your English, but also open the doors to knowledge and imagination. So, read every day, even a little, because every page takes you closer to success. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, hype, share, and subscribe to Learn English with Sapna for more interesting and inspiring stories and English practice. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.